guys, in this video I want to cover two common LinkedIn mistakes that can be corrected in under 5 minutes, and it's going to make a huge difference for you and how you can potentially open this amazing door. So let's dive right in. Item one, profile picture. So there are all sorts of stats out there for likelihood that somebody will click or open or connect with you on LinkedIn if you have a picture. I've seen 14 times more. I've seen 21 times more. But in reality, if it was 3 times more, that's enough of an uptick for you to know, hey, it's really important for you to have a picture. Secondly, if you have a LinkedIn picture where you are not smiling, I want you to go through an exercise. I want you to hop on LinkedIn and I want you to start going through people's LinkedIn profiles and seeing how you connect to those people that are smiling and those people that are not smiling. And what you're going to find is that the likability for people who are smiling is way higher. This is neuroscience. And just follow that trick. It is so critical that you just have a nice smile. People are attracted to a smile. Also, shoulders and above. Really want people to focus on your face and nothing else, and this is really super important. And the resizing tool in LinkedIn is actually pretty good. So if you have a full body shot, you just want to kind of hone in and focus on your face, great tool to use. Lastly, there's a couple of items, which is background. Hey, the background should be simple. Just don't have it too convoluted, too busy. You can do something funky, but just don't be over the top. And then secondly, what to wear. Look, if you're in finance in New York City, you probably want to have a suit in your picture. People are just going to be attracted to that. It's going to be a similar dress for people in that space. Whereas if you're a software engineer in San Francisco, a t-shirt's totally cool, right? That's less important than shoulders and above and smiling and actually having that picture on there. The easiest thing you can do is you can stand against a blank wall, take a selfie and smile. It takes a minute. You can upload it and have a great picture on there right away. The second item, thin profile. So you likely have a resume. If you have a resume, but you haven't really updated your LinkedIn profile, copy and paste those bullets under each position. You will read and see some articles that say not to do this. This is a major step above having nothing. And the big reason is keyword searches. There's a good chance that recruiters, hiring managers, even people that want to network are doing keyword searches. And if you don't have those bullets, it's just going to be a big downtick for you and your ability to connect with other people. And time again, I can tell you in my searches, I will see two very similar profiles and somebody has taken that step of putting information under their position and the other person is not, and I'll always move forward with the person who's put that information in just because I know more about them. I know what they've done and I know what they've accomplished. Lastly is progression. So I see a lot of people, they've been in a role for 10 years and all of a sudden their title says director, but you know that they probably started as an individual contributor, worked up to manager, now they're a director. Or what they do is each time they have progression, they create a new company profile. Just have one company profile, and in that first bullet, you can talk about promoted this date to this position, promoted this date to this position, however you want to say it. It's not really important, but show that progression. I think it tells a story, and you're kind of wanting your LinkedIn to tell a little bit of a story. This is why the cover letter is no longer important, because we have LinkedIn. So why am I so passionate about getting those bullets in? Well, when I got hired for my last recruiting role in San Diego, I was hired to recruit salespeople. But eventually it just opened up. I had to do finance amongst other positions, and one of the positions I was working on was hiring software engineers. When I added that I recruited software engineers to my profile, Google came calling very soon after. And so that little addition of just saying this is what I do landed me at Google. So if that's not enough of a reason, I don't know what is. There's other important stuff to focus on. Your headline, your summary, your education. But if you get a smiling picture and you at least have your resume bullets in your LinkedIn profile, man, your uptick is just going to be really great. And That's why focusing on any of those other items, it's fine. But if you can fix those two, it's really going to help you. If you like my content, please like. If you have any comments, please comment below. And if you like my overall content, please subscribe and hit that bell. Thanks so much.